morning students. Today topic is lesson number 5, numerical methods, finite differences. There are three types. One is forward differences operator. Forward difference operator, delta. This means the shape of the symbol we call as delta. Number 1, delta yn is equal to yn plus 1 minus yn, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Number 2, del of f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x, where h is equal internal of spacing. Equal internal of spacing. The distance is equal in space. Number 3, if c is constant, then delta c is equal to 0. Number 4, if delta is distributive, then delta of f of x plus g of x is equal to delta f of x plus delta g of x. Number 5, del square yn is equal to delta yn plus 1 minus delta yn. These are the delta type. Number 1, forward difference operator. Forward difference operator. Number 2, backward difference operator, Nepla. Number 2, backward difference operator. The symbol triangle opposite, Nepla. Read as Nepla. Number 1, Nepla y1 is equal to y1 minus the previous number y0. Number 2, Nepla power n f of x plus n h is equal to Nepla power n f of x. Next, number 3, shifting operator E. Shifting operator E. Number 1, the shifting operator E of f of x naught is equal to f of x naught plus h. Number 2, e square f of x equal to e of f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus 2h. E of e means shifting operator of f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus 2h. Number 4, the relation between delta, Nepla and shifting operator E. Number 1, delta is equal to e minus 1, shifting operator minus 1. Number 2, shifting operator of delta of f of x is equal to delta of shifting operator of f of x, interchanging the delta. Number 3, Nepla is equal to e minus 1 divided by e. Number 4, 1 plus delta into 1 minus Nepla is equal to answer 1. Number 5, delta into Nepla is equal to delta minus Nepla. Number 6, delta is equal to shifting operator power minus 1 into delta. Say Nepla is equal to shifting operator power minus 1 into delta. Ex number 5.1, sum number. Delta of log of ax is equal to, first let delta of log of ax is equal to log of ax plus h minus log of ax by the delta property. We know that log a means log b is log a by b. Log ax plus h divided by ax is equal to log of ax divided by ax plus h by ax is equal to log of 1 plus h by ax. Next, question number 2. If y is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 1. Calculate the value of y. Calculate the value of y for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and form the forward difference table. On the forward difference table, let y is equal to x power 3 minus x square plus x minus 1. Given x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, find y when x is equal to 0. Y is equal to, apply 0, 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 power 3 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 to the power of 3 is 8, minus 4 plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 10 minus 5. So 5. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 power 3 is 27, minus 9 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 27, 30, 30 minus 10 is 20. Next, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 64, minus 16 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 64 plus 4 is 70, 70 minus 70, 64, 68, 68 minus 17 is equal to 51. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 power 3 is 125, minus 25 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 125, 100, 104. Therefore, substitute x in y, we get the forward difference table. The forward difference table x in y. Next del y. Next del square y. Del cube y. Del power 4 y. Del power 5 y. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 5, 20, 51, 104. 51, 104. Now del y means 0 minus 1 is positive. 5 minus 0 is 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. 51 minus 20 is 31. 104 minus 104 minus 51 is 53. Now del square delta square y. 5 minus 1 is 4. 15 minus 5 is 10. 31 minus 15 is 16. 53 minus 31 is 22. Next, delta power 3 of y. 10 minus 4 is 6. 16 minus 10 is also 6. 22 minus 16 is 6. Now delta power 4 delta power 4 of y. 6 minus 6 is 0. Again 6 minus 6 is 0. Del power 5 of y is 0 minus 0 is 0. This is forward difference table. Forward difference table. Next, question number 3. If h is equal to if h is equal to 1, then prove that shifting power minus 1 of del x power 3 is equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 1. First, let h is equal to 1. Next, LH is equal to e power minus 1 shifting operator of power minus 1 into delta of x power 3 is equal to interchange delta and shifting operator delta e to the power of minus 1 x power 3. Next, this means delta e power minus 1 x power 3 is x minus h whole to the power of 3. X minus h whole to the power of 3 by the property. This means delta x minus 1 whole to the power of 3. Why? Given h is equal to 1. Since h is equal to 1. Next, delta of x minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is delta f of x equal to delta f of plus h minus f of x. Okay, therefore x minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 3 minus x minus 1 whole to the power of 3 using delta power is equal to x minus of plus cancel, therefore x power 3 minus x minus 1 whole to the power of 3 is equal to x power 3 minus x power 3 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1. This is a minus b whole to the power of 3 is a cube minus 3b square plus 3a minus 1. Okay, now x power 3 minus x power 3 plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1. X power 3 cancel is equal to 3x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to RHS. Hence the result. If f of x is equal to x power 2 plus 3x, then show that delta of f of x is equal to 2x plus 4. Given f of x is equal to x square plus 3x, LH is equal to delta f of x. We know that delta f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So in this case f of x is x square plus 3x. Therefore f of x plus h minus f of x is equal to x plus h whole square plus 3 into x plus h minus x square plus 3x. x square plus 3x is equal to a plus b whole square is x square plus h square plus 2hx plus 3x plus 3h minus x square minus 3x. Minus 3x plus 3x cancel. Next positive x square negative x square cancel. Is equal to h square plus 2hxy 2hx then 3h LH is equal to 1 square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 3h 3 into 1 equal to 1 plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. Case RHS, hence the result. Is the result. Next, sum number 5. Evaluate delta of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. By taking one as the interval of differential, the interval of differential. Let 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. First we have to take 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Why? Using the partial fraction, right? By a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Now cross multiplying 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Denominators are same. Therefore, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Number this as 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. We have 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into 0. So a into 1 is equal to positive 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1. We have one is equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. 1 is equal to b of minus 1. b is equal to minus 1. Therefore 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by a is 1 divided by x plus 1 plus into minus, so minus 1 divided by x plus 2. This can be written as 1 by x plus 1 and minus 1 by x plus 2. Now the given problem is LHS equal to evaluate sum. Therefore we have to take del equal to del of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to delta of 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2. We know that delta of f of x is equal to f of x plus h minus a f of x. So we have to take first part 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 using the property minus 1 by x plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2. Next is equal to 1 by x plus 2. X plus 1 plus 1 is x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 3. 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 2. Distribute this, we have 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 3 minus of minus plus 1 by x plus 2. Take first and last 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 divided by x plus 2. Next minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus, taking LCM 2 into, we have 2 into x plus 1 into x plus 3 minus x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus x plus 2 into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into x square plus 4x plus 3 minus x square plus 5x plus 6 minus x square x square plus 3x plus 2 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus is equal to 2x square plus 4x, no, 8x plus 6 minus x square minus 5x minus 6 minus 6 square plus 3x, no, minus 3x minus 2 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. 2x square minus x square minus x square minus 2x square. So cancelling. Next 8x, 5x minus 3x is minus 8x. So cancel. Next 6 minus 6 cancel. So minus 2 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Hence delta of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, sum is over. Next, find the missing entry. Sum number 6. Find the missing entry in the following table. X, Y, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 9, next 81. This is missing. Now the number of value of f of x is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Totally 5. Missing box is 1. Therefore 4 is 4. Next, the polynomial which fits the data is of degree is 3, n minus 1. Therefore degree 3 bracket n minus 1 of the form. The fourth difference is equal to 0. Delta 4 of y naught is equal to 0. Sitting concept is c minus 1 power 4 of y naught. This can be taken as in the shifting operator. Del means e minus 1 power 4 y naught. Next, e minus 1 a minus b whole power 4 is a power 4 minus 4 something. So in this case e minus 1, b is 1, a is e. Therefore e power 4 minus 4 e power 3 plus 6 e square minus 4 e plus 1 of y naught is equal to 0. E power 4 is a to the power of 4 minus 4 a power 3 plus 6 a power, in this case 6 a square b power 2, in this case b power 1 minus 4a into b power 3 plus b power 4 81 minus 4 into y of 3 plus 6 into y1 no 6 into 6 into y minus 4 into 3, third is missing, so 4 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. 81 minus 4 into y3 is 9, 9 means 54, 6 y3 minus 4 y3, we want to find y3 plus 6 into y2 is 6 into 3, y2 1 2 3 minus 4 into y1 is 3 plus y0 is 1 is equal to 0. From the table y3 is, we want to find the y3, so as it is y3, y2 means 9, therefore 6 into 9 minus y1 is 3, okay, 81 minus 4y3 plus 54 minus 12 plus 1 9 is equal to 0. 81 plus 54 minus 11 is equal to 4y3. 81 minus 65, no, 81 135, 81 135 minus 11 is equal to 4y3. This means 124 is equal to 4y3. So y3 is equal to 124 divided by 4 is equal to 3 1. 3 1 is y3 missing. Missing number is, the missing entry is y3 is equal to 31. Today homework, sum number ex number 5.1, sum number 7 8. Any doubt? Reply the message.